In this video, I will show you how to open YouTube audio library on phone. First of all, what you need to do is go to any web browser. Then in the search bar, search for studio.youtube.com. Then this window will appear. Don't click on get the app. Click on continue to studio. Then press continue. And make sure you log into your account. After that, you can see this dashboard. If you pinch it, you can zoom in. And in the top left corner, you will see these three vertical lines. If you click on it, you'll find this menu bar. And right below customization, you'll find audio library. Click on it. And zoom out. And now you will be able to find audio library on your phone. You can access any song or music through it. If you think this video is helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.